Hey guys, being here. Today I'm going to show you how to model this rock climbing wall. Okay, so this will be the final product. Yeah, it's quite simple. It's not organic shape, but yeah, it's more like a triangular shape. Okay, so let's start. So first, let's create a family. And it needs to be generic model face based. Okay, so and now go to front view, draw a reference line. Okay, so in dimension from the level to this reference line, and then create a offset and instance parameter, and then create a model line from here to here, and then lock. Okay, so now in 3D view, let's try 1 meter. Yep, good. So now this will be we will use this as a so like a point. We can get the point to create the face. So the next one, we need another family, generic model, adaptive, and okay. So point 1, 2, 3, select them and make adaptive. Now need to spline, reference line, spline, reference line, and spline, reference line, and then create a form. So I'm just going to create a face. Okay, so you can add parameter for the material, or yeah, and even just create some thickness. But for this one, I'm just going to use a face. So now we have these two family. We need to have a massing. Let's create. No, let's just do it. We don't need a massing. We just create a project. Okay, so now let's draw a wall here. So let's pretend the rock climbing wall will be built like start from these two walls, and then let's just add a floor there. Okay, floor there, and maybe add a ceiling there. So I'll just put this on to level. I'll just create a little bit higher, maybe 9 meter high, level 1. Put this on level 1 with 0. These two walls, just put them on level 1 as well. So now we have this. So this will be the space we need to build this wall. So let's go back to the first one. So this one, load into project, and then so we will have this. See the line. So this will be a face-based family. We can just place it on this wall, and then if I select them, oh, actually I can't pick that. So let's edit this family. Go back to front view. Maybe I need to, instead of pick this level, just try to pick this point, and not this one, and then tab. So now this dimension is being placed on this reference line and this reference plane. So then just give it the offset again, load that back to project. Let's see what happened. So now if you select this family, so you will see this one. So you can, in 3D view, you can drag and change it. So you can also do it here. So offset, and also that's another elevation from level. So you can drag it to move up, move down, left, right. You can also do it here, maybe 2 meters from floor. So from the level. Sorry. So now we have these, so we can create similar and place a lot of them, or on this wall, or on the ceiling, or on the floor, and then go back to this, load this into project, and then we can place. So this is a face, triangular face. So we just need 3 points to place them, and you can do a like full edge, a face with 4 sides, but even yeah, it will be the same. But this is the easiest way to do this for this. So, and then once you placed, so now it's quite flat, because I'll just change that to a little bit transparent. Sorry. So I can see the line behind, so I can, if I move the line, maybe I'll just create another one here, and let's fill all this up. So you can do it from the floor to the ceiling, or from floor to the wall, and you can do it from wall to ceiling. Oh no, that's the wrong point. So this one, yeah, wherever you like. It's a little bit not there, but you can drag this to maybe anywhere you like here, and then you can drag them, change the shape. So if I change to hidden lines, maybe just put this pick new, just place them onto the wall instead of floor, so I don't need this. And then maybe just you can type in 0 to touch the ground. So this one go to the ground. No, not 0. And then you can change the shape to, so you can just adjust this offset, and then do this. Okay, so this is pretty much it. It's quite easy. And then of course for those the grab thing, I'm not sure what they are called, but you can just create a generic model face based, and then you can do an extrusion or do whatever you like, a shape, maybe something like shape. Oops. I don't know, maybe like this, with the moon, and then lower into the project, and then you can just place on this face. You might need to rotate them a little bit, and you can create all different shape, different size. So let me change that back to not transparent. Oh, wrong one. And then you might need to flip them back, because they are placed on the other side of this face. So yeah, maybe the other way, just space and rotate them, and then yeah, that's pretty much it. So these are huge, but yeah, and the good thing is, once you place all these things, so if you move this face, so they will move together, so don't need to worry about need to redo it. So wireframe, so let me drag this in, drag this out, drag this out. So yeah, so that's it. So it's very easy to create and very easy to adjust. So once you patty, and then you can just select all of these ones. You can just maybe just temporarily them, demolishing new. And so once you finish new construction, show complete or previously new, you won't see them. So, and then if you need to adjust, you can bring them back. Then, okay, so that's it for today, and I hope you like it, and I'll see you next time.